Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to another video from Mataka Designs. Starting off today's video, I am over here at Swiftco, and it is called Southwestern Industrial Fasteners. All right, they're over here in El Paso on Tony Lama Street, and I'm about to go in here and find replacement bolts for what come with the seats, because as you can see them threads, and they only fit the sliders if they have the Allen. All right, so I'm gonna run in here, see what they got. But you guys, welcome back. Thank you for sticking with me. We're gonna go in here, figure this out, get these seats installed tonight. It happening. All right, so let's go get this. All right, so went to Swiftco, got their bolts and stuff in there. Let me show you guys. Now, I'm gonna warn y'all, this video is gonna be lengthy because I am not skipping anything. I don't want nobody getting in trouble. So, I went ahead and got, hold on. So, when I got the bolts that put the sliders into the bottom of the seat, and I got bolts that's gonna, and nuts, lock washers that's gonna connect the sliders to the seat bracket. And I got that permanent high strength thread locker. All right, all the stuff I got from Swiftco. Now I'm gonna show you. I'm not gonna say anything, just gonna show you. Okay, disclaimer: anybody watching this video that owns a G35 Coupe wants to do this, don't try this at home. I'm gonna tell you right now, do not. That's my disclaimer. I am not responsible if you try to do what I do in this video and hurt yourself or cause harm to others. I'm gonna tell you right now. I'm gonna put a written disclaimer in there too, because what I'm finna do, I have resources at hand. I'm not doing this in my garage or in my driveway, and I'm doing it the correct way. If you want to do this, take it to a professional, show them what I've done, and have them do it for you. I'm telling you. Okay? Mounted parts for this bracket cut off. I'll just use this screws to hold it down. All right, now for the fun part. You know what these are. Okay, you know where they come from. You on a G, you know. You're smart, you know. All right. All right. Yes, these are the old seat brackets. All right, we figured out last night. They bolt right off. They drop in the car, and even better, this bad boy lines up perfectly with one slight 1/4" modification. So that's what we're doing. All right, just gotta cut these two off. Gravy, we're done. Put it in the car. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna have Arthur go ahead and put the sliders on the seat. So while I'm doing this, drilling, cutting everything, we just gotta bolt it up. All right, so y'all gonna hyperlapse, watch for all that work, and we'll come back for the fun part. All right, yo. Bunch of metal cut. Bunch of holes drilled. Blood spilled. Got my Band-Aid on. I'm finna get in here, but the seat's in, and see what it be like. All right. Now I ain't bolted them all the way in. But damn, I bet your ass this feel good. Woo! Y'all just don't know the past 2 hours and 47 minutes. We've been grinding, cutting, bending, twisting, drilling, bleeding to get this. Like, it's not bolted all the way in, but see? And I didn't tack weld like I planned to, because we were cutting and drilling a lot. I burned up like, what, 6 bits?
Yeah.
Yeah, burned up like 6 bits. When I said burnt, they were orange, all right?
Some broke in half.
After hyperlapsing the cutting part, we just stopped recording. I said, nah, I'll show them the end result. Do not try this at home, people, at all. But, as you can see, I'm sitting the way I'm supposed to. All right, nice and high. I got all the room.
Recline back.
It's on my lunch break at school, which I feel like doing right now. And your boy ready? I'm delirious. Damn. So tired, I'm delirious. Driver's seat is in. There y'all go. Appreciate y'all. Thank you very much. Thumbs up, comment. Leave a comment. Subscribe. Go over. Hit that bell. Alright. Don't forget about your merchandise. Yes, I'm not wearing mine, but alright. See y'all on Monday.